Hey, what's going on, guys? Good news. The good news is I got another request to do a portrait. The bad news is these are the only colors I have to work with today. And this one, and this one. So we'll have to make do with what we have. So today we're going to be doing Dom D, letter D, fourth letter of the alphabet. Too much info, I know. I can't help it, I'm just intellectual, so that's the way that I think. It's always got to be like a... All right, so we're going to start with his head. I'm going to do a nice circle. And I'm getting better at my circles. If you haven't noticed, I'm starting to... this one's basically perfect. And so we're gonna go ahead. We got his head down. He's wearing a hat. Nice big Cowboys hat. Guessing he's a Cowboys fan. I don't know if he rides a cow. It doesn't look like he would. He's kind of like neatly trimmed. Looks like he just got back from the barber. The barber said, "Hey, what do you want me to do for you today?" And Dom looked at him and said, you know, the usual, whatever I normally get. He's like, okay, yeah, no problem. So let's see, we'll do his lips, red lips. There we go. It's a good thing I got this red crayon. It's good for portraits because lips are red. So it's nice to have the color red when you're doing lips. All right, we'll go ahead and do his eyes now. His eyes are like kind of circular. Most eyes are circular. You'll see that a lot. It's very common with humans, circular eyes. His eyebrows are kind of looking like scared, panicked. He's doing a selfie. It's going to be hard to indicate that in a portrait because mirrors are like clear. And I kind of question if he's looking so panicked, why is he taking a selfie? I guess maybe he takes it out of fear. He's scared. What's going to happen if I don't take this selfie right now? Someone going to come after me? I don't know. I'm just brainstorming because I'm just trying to put it together, piece this together. It doesn't make sense to like be that scared and yet like, oh, let me get in front of the mirror. It happens though. It does happen. What I've learned so far in my years is there's nothing new under the sun. So anything you could think of probably has happened already. So I never knew that you could be scared and want to go take a selfie at the same time, but it happens. So let's see, he's wearing a blue shirt. So we'll go ahead, not sharpened. All right, I'm not gonna lose my cool this time. Oh, fuck. I gotta sharpen my fucking pencils before I do this shit. This is fucking bullshit. There we go. Nice blue shirt. I colored on the wrong side of the shirt. I'm not thinking straight now because the fucking, I wanted to do the other blue, but I forgot to sharpen it. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. You know what? Life is too short. Life is way too short to get to, you know, stress the little things. It's another lesson I learned. I still do it. I still stress them. So I didn't really learn it. But I try not to. I'm doing my best. I'm doing better. See, that's pretty good so far. And like as usual, I don't know why, but it seems like everyone who requests a portrait has jaundice. So get your livers checked out, seriously. I mean, you know, go to the doctor. They'll be able to help you. You don't have to be yellow. I'd say that's another lesson I learned, but that's just kind of common sense. So let's see, yeah. He's holding his phone. Yo, taking a selfie. Fucking scared. Let's see, hat. And I guess we'll just do a little bit of the background. So like he's in the bathroom. So we'll draw a door. Oh, maybe he's scared because he's scared to go to the bathroom. I've been there. I've been there before. I've had, when I was a kid, I used to have, what's it called, blood when I would go to the bathroom often. So I understand going to the bathroom being scared, but what I still just don't get is going to the bathroom being scared of bleeding and then going to take a selfie. But I'm sure makes sense to him. To Dom over here. And the last finishing touch we'll do, he's in front of a marble counter. And here's that technique again that I taught you guys about before. It's called cross contamination. When you basically do lines angled this way and then lines this way. This isn't a lesson, but I just figured if I'm doing a portrait and you guys are watching, might as well teach you a couple tricks of the trade while I'm doing this. And that's basically it. So oh shit, this is the part that sucks, is I can never get this just exactly right. So now I'll show you the original. You guys can see for yourselves. Boom. Boom. There we go. There is Dom D in the bathroom and scared. All right, Dom. Hope you're not scared anymore. Hope you figure this out. You'll get through it. Trust me, you'll get through it. I've been in your shoes before, and I know what it's like. But there is hope. There is hope. So, all right, take care.